Ever wondered who really built modern America? Not Wall Street, not big cities, but the tiny, unknown companies scattered across small towns. These were the quiet powerhouses that fueled innovation, changed industries, and shaped the world we live in today. And you've probably never heard of most of them. In the 20th century, small-town factories were everywhere. From a town of 2,000 in Ohio came a company that revolutionized airplane engines. A tiny workshop in Wisconsin perfected cheese packaging, forever changing how we eat. These weren't just businesses. They were labs of invention, hidden in plain sight. Without them, skyscrapers, highways, and even the breakfast on your cable might look completely different. Big companies get the headlines. But the breakthroughs? They often came from mom and pop shops with a spark of genius. In a tiny Pennsylvania garage, a company created the first electric motor for cars. In a small Minnesota town, a workshop designed parts that would become standard in every refrigerator. Think about it. The things you take for granted, the light switches, the engines, the kitchen appliances, all started in places nobody would ever visit on a map. Then there's Akron, Ohio. It became known for making tires. Companies like Goodyear and Firestone helped put cars on the road. Those tires made it easier for people to travel, live farther from work, and build new neighborhoods. A small town helped shape everyday American life. So next time you pass a small town with one factory or warehouse, remember this.